Okay, so let's venture here into the plant here and let's check it out a little bit closer. A couple very interesting facts about this plant. The seeds are mostly dispersed through animals, whether it's through their droppings or however they may be, but that helps the plant to expand also. A lot of things people didn't know is when they grow their garden vegetables, a lot of times they'll germinate in a handful of days or a few weeks. These seeds, they're very hard to germinate. They can take up to 6 months for the seeds to germinate, and that's due to a very hard coating on the outer part of the seed that does not let any oxygen in. So until that coating wears away, that seed will not germinate. It can take up to 5 to 6 years for this slow-growing herb to develop, which is a significantly long time for any kind of herb to develop. One of the most fascinating things about this saw palmetto herb is its lifespan. These amazing plants can live as much as 600 to 700 years. Which is really, that's a phenomenal lifespan. Too bad we can't have a portion of that. Anyways, down here in Florida, from April to July, they'll produce a whitish flower, sometimes a whitish yellow flower, and then it's dependent on the insects to come here and pollinate the flower. Once it pollinates the flower, the flower will produce these drupe-like green fruits, almost look like olives. They can be green like that, or they can also be a yellowish color. Now these fruits, these berries will ripen in the next month or so. So that's why we're doing this article here. They'll turn from this greenish color to a black and blue color, and once that happens, is when these berries can be harvested, and they're harvested and then they're actually harnessed. There's an extract in there that's harnessed, which is called the same as the botanical name, serenoa, and that extract has been harvested and studied and has been shown to be beneficial for many health conditions, things like bladder support, prostate support, and even has been shown to be beneficial for people trying to promote hair growth too. So it's a really fascinating berry here. What happens is once this berry is ripe, next month or so, it'll be harvested, the seeds will be extracted, and the berry pod is dry.